Hey, good morning, everybody. Let me introduce myself. Well, I guess that's probably not necessary because it is pretty obvious. I was driving through Abilene today on my quest for future adventures. And as I drove through town, I noticed one of the most amazing manufactured modular home dealerships that I just have to share with you. Now, when you're out looking for a home, one of the things that is incredibly important is to have plenty of choices. So when I stopped here at Oak Creek Homes in Abilene, I want to show you what I discovered. Look at the selection that is available to you in these homes. Now, these homes are here on display, available for you to come and take tours of. In fact, they've invited me as a celebrity tour guide to show you through one of the homes. So if you would, join me as we walk this way. Well, you don't have to walk this way. You can walk this way, and we're going to go to the Rose. The Rose is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home that has 2 living areas with some exceptionally obvious choices that make it a great choice for you and your family. One of the things I'll point out to you is this home has a 50-year warranty exterior siding, not some of that plastic or the vinyl, but this is tough stuff. In addition to that, I discovered that customers are able to choose their own color combinations and decor choices. But wait till you see the inside of the home. You're going to love it. As you enter this home, one of the things that become very obvious is the quality of the craftsmanship and workmanship. A few of the things that I want to point out to you is this home has LED lights and overhead vents. Now, would you rather have the vents in the floor where the dust collects and all the pet hair and dander, or would you rather have them overhead where it stays clean, cool, and nice? The choice is pretty obvious. But follow me, I'll show you a little bit more. So this home, as I mentioned, has 2 living rooms. Now, when you have family gatherings with a lot of people and you need that extra space, because we all do, wouldn't it be nice to have this extra room? And folks, in this kitchen, what a wonderful kitchen I've discovered here. We have a large preparation island that helps you prepare for your meals. A pretty obvious choice and a wonderful selection. But where are you going to store all of that food for this large family? Guess what I found? Here in the Rose, we have a very spacious food pantry that allows you to store all of your dry goods and all of your extra food. The farm sink allows you to have the freedom to do a lot of your cleanup and do it very stylishly. And speaking of style, this home comes standard with stainless steel appliances. What a wonderful option. So as we walked through the home, another thing that I really enjoyed was that the finish on the walls is all tape and textured finish throughout the primary living areas of the home. When you come down the hallway to the guest bedrooms, what I discovered, and I think that you will too, is that these bedrooms are very generous in their size and appointments. Large walk-in closets, just plenty of space for your furniture and for your kids to put their stuff. And then what a really nice guest bathroom is available for you as well. We've got the square china sinks along with a framed mirror and then a large fiberglass tub shower combination that's back here in the guest bathroom. As you move past the guest bathroom and come back into the laundry room, utility room, this home just continues to give you extra blessings. Here we've got a washer dryer setup, and we also have a bench seat with hat and coat hooks. Now, what family wouldn't like to have a mudroom to come into from a long day at the softball field and get rid of the backpacks, the shoes, and everything else? I know that when I travel, I have to put my bags somewhere, and this is a great location. But one of the key features in this home that I have absolutely fallen in love with, well, I just have to show you. Please follow me. When you walk through the home, you'll notice also the absence of carpet in the primary living areas. Another obvious great choice to make it easier to maintain and care for your home. When we come into the primary bedroom is spacious. Plenty of room for that king-size bed, overhead vents, LED lights, the 2-inch mini blind. It is absolutely wonderful. So, why don't you come into my favorite place in the entire home, the master bathroom, done with dual china sinks, individually framed mirrors, the shiplap accent, and ladies and gentlemen, you have to check out that walk-in closet. This thing is absolutely enormous. You could nearly store all of your equipment and even a few extra kids in there if you needed to. So here at Oak Creek Homes, I've discovered some wonderful and very obvious choices that make Oak Creek Homes of Abilene an excellent place for you to come and shop for your new modular or manufactured home. We have the ability to help you with financing, locating the land, and getting your home designed. You can reach us at 325-480-0035 or stop by and see us at 1210 North Clack here in Abilene. We'll be open for Monday through Saturday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. and just would love to have you come down. After all, your choice of homes is really important, and I think you'll agree this was an obvious choice. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll hope to see you again soon.